When I first learned to code, functions made no sense to me whatsoever. I was frustrated, I felt confused, I felt stupid until I understand this one idea. Today in this video, I'll teach you exactly in the simplest way possible how functions work. And at the end of this video, they'll finally make sense. Hi, I'm Vinton, a software developer from Jamaica. I build software for businesses and help developers sharpen their skills. All right, what is it? What is a function? A function is a set of instructions that are grouped together, and they usually have a name. Now, this name must be meaningful, meaning when you want to give your function a name, you just don't say function A. You want to give it a meaningful name, so when you are referencing that function again, or you are getting back to your coding, you know exactly what to look for. How do we define a function? We define a function by using the function name followed by parentheses enclosed with the curly brackets. Now, when we define the function, we must call the function. If the function is not called, it can never run. So every function that you define must be called. How do you call the function? You call the function by using the name of the function with parentheses, usually followed by semicolon. Now, the next question you might ask is, why do we need functions? We need functions to help to maintain a clean code. When we use function effectively, we have cleaner code. It helps us to reuse our logic, so we can just write once and use many times. It also helps us to avoid repeating ourselves. So if you have one function that says capitalize name 10 places in your software or in your program, you don't have to write that one logic 10 times. You just write it once and replicate it throughout or call it throughout your programs. So that's just function in a nutshell. Hope this helps. If you find this helpful, like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. See you later.